YouHodler Crypto Staking Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to YouHodler are in the description. YouHodler is a crypto lending and staking platform designed for users who want to maximize returns on their digital assets without actively trading. It supports a variety of popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, and more, offering competitive staking rewards and interest rates. Unlike traditional staking, YouHodler provides high-yield interest accounts where users can deposit their crypto and earn passive income without locking their funds in a staking contract. One of YouHodler's biggest advantages is its flexible earning model. Users can earn up to 12% APY on stablecoins and up to 5 to 7% on major cryptocurrencies, with interest paid weekly. This makes it an attractive option for those looking for regular payouts and compounding interest. YouHodler also integrates crypto-backed loans, allowing users to stake their assets while using them as collateral for borrowing. This feature is ideal for those who want liquidity without selling their holdings. Security is another strong point. YouHodler partners with Ledger Vault, providing bank-grade asset protection, and employs advanced security measures, including multi-signature wallets and cold storage solutions. Unlike many staking platforms that require funds to be locked for extended periods, YouHodler allows flexible withdrawals, giving users full control over their assets at all times. The platform is designed for both beginners and experienced investors, with a user-friendly interface and mobile app support for easy account management. Additionally, YouHodler's multi-hodl feature allows users to leverage their holdings for potentially higher returns, making it appealing to those willing to take on additional risk for increased rewards. Overall, YouHodler is an excellent staking and lending platform for those looking to earn high yields with flexibility and security. Whether you're a long-term holder or an active investor, it provides multiple ways to maximize your crypto assets. Check the links in the description to start earning with YouHodler today.